Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. And today I'm going to show you how can you use a Reflect AI. Honestly, this isn't just another note-taking app. It's designed to become your second brain, a place your idea, note, meeting, and knowledge all connect together. So let's see how it works. So first go to your browser and search reflect.app, and then we can start free trial. Now you can sign up with Google or Apple. Okay, now let's create your first note. So click on new note, and now you can start writing your note. So I'm going to type startup idea learning platform for computer science student to get internship for free, and then save it. Let's create another note. So click on new note again, and this time I'll type marketing idea university partnership, YouTube short, and LinkedIn content, and then save it again. Now let's say the main feature link note. You can go to daily notes or all notes. You just need to type double bracket and you can connect. So for example, I'll connect with this one. How to use it? You can also use end symbol to connect the node. Now try something different. So I can go to marketing idea, and here I can link another node. So again, I can link content plan, and then in content plan you can see, and you can see I already have a node for the content plan, and here I'll link another node. So again, double bracket, and I can write maybe Instagram, Insta Reel. You can close this with a double bracket, or you can just hit enter. You can write, and here you can write anything. So I'll just say how to prepare for the job. And now Reflect automatically link all the related nodes. You just open the map, and now you can see in 12th June I had linked two nodes, how to use Reflect and marketing idea. And inside marketing idea, you can see these other nodes linked. So you can see this look like a personal Wikipedia. Another great feature Reflect has a AI search. So we can search anything about your node. I'll just search startup idea, and you can see it's on the top. You can also connect this with your calendar. You just go on add meeting and click on connect to your calendar. So that's all for Reflect AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.